present yourself, your name and your business?
I'm Kumar Raj from Kumar Raj Productions, Bombay, India. I am the producer, director and distributor of Indian movies. Hopefully, I will start making in co-production movies with Hollywood and France. This is my purpose of visit to this film festival.
Why are you in the market of Cannes Film Festival? What are you looking for?
Okay, this is a very interesting film market and the best film market I've seen in my previous years. This is a movie which we have made, which is running in India now for the 44th week. We have received 28 international awards. We have gone to 23 international film festivals. Our idea to come to Cannes is also to sell our movie worldwide. This is the best place to sell the movie for the satellite rights, television rights, theatrical distributions for the American and the European markets. So I've come to basically sell the rights of my movie directly. I'm doing it myself, which a job a sales agent could do. But I think I want to know more people and interact and do networking over here, build contacts, because I'm going to make more movies in the future. So I want to know how the market is, how things are moving, how things are changing.
Are you distributed in India already? How is the market? Is it very local, regional or national?
The market in India used to be a very huge market for the Indian Bollywood movies, but the market is changing. You'll be surprised to know the Spider-Man has done huge business in India. So the things are changing. The Bollywood movies are making money, and then the Hollywood movies, they are dubbing their movie into Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and various other Indian languages, and they're doing fantastic in India.
Are you already distributed in India, or are you looking for a distributor?
No, in India we have already distributed. We released our movie on the 12th of July. It's 44th week. My movie is still running in Indian cinemas. In Bombay, there's a cinema hall called Imperial Cinema Hall. My movie is still running there, and many more territories in India. So I'm happy with the Indian distribution. We have made some good money. Now we want to make some money in the international arena.
How the Indian people did acclaim the movie?
Yes, it has got critically acclaimed. People have given the best movie awards to us. We got the best director, best movie. The actress Rekha Rana has got a lot of awards internationally because this is her movie. It's a movie on women empowerment, and she has really acted well. So she's the strength of our movie, because of which our movie has done very well.
What is your target here? Which country are you targeting at first? The most profitable market?
See, the most profitable market presently for the Indian movie is the place where the Indians are staying. It is in America, Canada, UK, and then the second territories are France, Persian Gulf and African markets. Then the new markets, we are looking for new markets, Japan, China. These are the markets which Indian producers are targeting. And this is a place where you meet them, where you break new territories, where you make new contacts, where my movie, I came here last in 2008, and my movie was taken by Iranian distributors, and they made good money on it. So I was happy. Those days, Indian movies didn't run much in Iran, but 2008, I made a good breakthrough. Today I'm discussing with the Japanese guys. They come here to sell their movies, but I am trying to convince them to buy my movie. So yes, we have to do our best.
Do you put subtitles or do you dub the translation?
We have done subtitling in English, but if we sell it to a French company, if they decide to dub it, we're ready to give the rights for dubbing it. If they want to give subtitles in French, we are ready to do it ourselves and give it to them. Or if they want, they could do it. So we are very flexible in the way which the distributors want it. The people want to add a few scenes, they want to remove few scenes, they want to increase the length, shorten the length. We are very, very flexible on it.
When you will sell that movie, what are your other projects?
I have signed a co-production with a Hollywood and a Canadian company, and I am the co-producer of the movie, which will be shot 85% in India and 15% in LA. The name of the movie is Salvage, and it's a truly international project, and it is of the genre of Slumdog Millionaire. So we are hoping to make, and the hero is from Hollywood, and the technicians are from Hollywood, and the locations and the rest of the actors are from India.
Thank you very much and good luck.
Thank you, sir. You've been very kind. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure to be in this film festival. I love this place, and I hope I keep coming everywhere here. Thank you very much.